Brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. The Secret Club. Pedro's Club.
Peppa has come to play with Susie Sheep. Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson.
Hello, Peppa. Why have you got that mask on your face? So people don't know it's me.
Sorry,
I'm in a
Madame Gazelle.
secret club.
Oh dear,
Can
Pedro
I be
has
in
a
your
cough.
secret
Not to
club?
worry, I'll ring
It's not
Dr.
easy
Brown
to get
Bear.
into. You have to say the secret word.
Dr. Brown Bear
word?
speaking.
Hello, Doctor.
Double.
This is Madame
Flubber
Gazelle.
double.
A child is
You're
ill.
in.
Don't panic. I'll come straight away.
Danny Dog has come to play.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Shh. What? I'm in a secret club. I'm in
What seems to be the problem?
I've got a cough.
Pedro Pony, Candy
see.
Cat and
Is it
Rebecca
a
Rabbit
big
have
cough?
come to play.
Or a chesty cough?
Susie and Peppa are in a secret club.
this.
Can we join your secret club?
And
It's
when
very
did you get
hard
this
to
cough?
get into.
When Madame
you
Gazelle
have to say the
started singing.
secret word.
It's nothing serious.
Shalamakuki.
But Pedro's cough may be catching.
That's not the word I said. It changes all the
When
time.
one person has
Keep
a
it
cough,
secret.
sometimes other people
Are
get that
we
cough
in the
too.
secret club
Do I
now?
need medicine?
You're in.
Just
what
a
do
little
we do?
spoonful.
We do secret
I'm afraid it
things
doesn't
in
taste very
secret.
nice.
And secretly go on secret
tastes like
missions.
soup full of
I
jam.
don't know what
Thank
you're
you,
talking
Dr.
about.
Brown
Show
Bear.
us how you do a
Goodbye.
secret mission. Yes, show us.
As I
Peppa
thought.
can do it.
Pedro's
He's got
cough
the mask
is
on,
catching.
Susie. Okay.
Danny Dog
my
and
secret
Susie
mission
Sheep have
is
caught
to
Pedro's
get
cough.
biscuits. Watch this.
Open wide.
Susie Sheep is trying not to be seen.
Carpet-flavoured yogurt.
It tastes Mummy, can I have some biscuits for
Well
my
done
friends,
for
please?
taking your medicine so well.
Here you are.
Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear?
No, Peppa, I'm never ill.
Susie Sheep
I
has
eat an
returned
apple a
with
day.
the biscuits.
Hooray!
Goodbye.
Bye. Did anyone
It is
see
home
you?
time.
No.
Children's
Well,
parents are
only
here
a
to pick them
grown-up.
up.
Look out.
Daddy, I've got
Would you like some juice to go with your biscuits?
Dr. Brown Bear
The biscuits I just gave you for your friends.
He gave us horrible medicine.
What's the matter?
We're in a secret club doing secret
Of
things.
course,
And
Peppa.
Susie's told everyone.
Oh, can I be in your secret club, please?
had a dolly who
Please? I've always wanted to be in a secret club.
It's very hard to get into. You must
Dear,
say
all the grown-ups have
secret
got Pedro's
word.
cough.
Which is?
Pick a needle noodle.
Dr. Brown
Pick a
Bear
needle
speaking.
noodle.
This is Peppa Pig. You're
All the grown-ups
in.
are
What happens now?
Not to worry,
Look
Peppa.
out.
I'm on my way.
It's Daddy Pig.
You talk to my daddy, but don't say anything about our secret club.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Caught Pedro's cough.
There you are, Mummy Sheep. What's new?
Very well. Stand in line.
Secret
and
club.
Open wide.
Ooh, I always wanted to be in a secret club. Can I join, please?
You
Tastes
can't
like
join
custard
Daddy
and
because you are grown up.
Thank you
My
for
mummy
looking
is
after
grown
us,
up.
Dr.
Well,
Brown Bear.
you have to know the magic word.
No one
Which
looks
is?
after me. I'm never
Diddle
ill.
doodle dum.
Papa Doodle Doodle
Dear,
Dum.
Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's
What do I
cough.
do now?
Not to worry.
out.
Oh, goodbye.
It's Mummy Pig.
Follow Mummy.
Poor
in
Dr. Brown Bear. He's ill, and there's no one to look after him.
Daddy Pig,
Ah, hello, Mummy Pig.
what are you doing in that bush?
Secret club?
Always wanted to be in a secret club.
We can't have everyone in the secret club. It wouldn't be a secret.
Oh,
And here's your medicine. It doesn't have to be a secret
It tastes
club.
like jammy yogurt-flavoured
Everybody's secret club. And everybody can
here's
be
a
in
song
it.
to make you feel better.